Hi everyone, Christy McCammon here. I am going to make a really fast 1-minute video of a recipe from the official Brightline Eating Cookbook called Banana Rice Bake. This banana rice bake is fast, easy, and really good. So there is only 6 ingredients: 4 ounces of milk, almond milk, any kind of milk of your choice, 1 egg, that's the protein, 4 ounces of cooked rice, that's the grain, 6 ounces of banana, that's the fruit, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla. These ingredients are your complete breakfast. Next thing I do, I just simply pour it all into the bowl and mix it up. I've sprayed an 8x8 pan with nonstick spray. All I need to do now is pour it in. The recipe calls for it to go in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. I turned it up to about 400 for a little bit longer than that, and it made the edges really crispy. Here's the finished product. Super easy, fast, delicious. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up.